Hi, my name's Aiden, and we're outside of Roth Hall. The CIA is located in the beautiful Hudson Valley, which is about an hour and 45 minutes north of New York City. There's a train station about 5 minutes away that will take you right into Grand Central.
Here at the CIA, all of our students have either a culinary focus or a baking and pastry arts focus. We have over 42 different kitchens and bake shops, which means that students get to experiment with a wide variety of equipment. They start with the fundamentals, such as knife cuts, and then they build that up all the way to production level. Hi, this is Julianne, and I'm right in front of our graduation board right here. Here you'll see all of our students who are graduating in the upcoming future. Here at the CIA, we offer many different programs. We have associate degree programs and bachelor's degree programs. At the associate level, you can major in culinary arts or baking and pastry arts. And at the bachelor's degree level, you can major in food business management, culinary science, applied food studies, and hospitality management. The CIA is all about hospitality. We have a new program, the Bachelor's of Science in Hospitality Management. This offers you a 30-credit core of food and beverage courses, as well as business classes and hospitality classes, which will prepare you for careers in hotels, restaurants, and cruise ships.
We're here inside the Conrad Hilton Library. Inside of this building, we have our library collection, a theater that holds 150 people. They also have access to our tutoring center, where we offer assistance with academic classes and hands-on skills like knife cuts and cake piping. Our students have access to all of our library resources online from anywhere.
Right now, we're in one of the production kitchens right here at the CIA. We have over 150 chef instructors that come from all over the food industry. So in a typical production class, the chef is going to be lecturing you about what you're going to be making that day, and then he's going to demo it, and then you get to taste it, and then you get to make it yourself, kind of taste it, evaluate it with your professor, and then you get to break for family meal, which is where you get to eat with your classmates and professor, and then you go back to class, learn what you're making for the next day, and clean up from the day.
Hi, I'm Amanda. I'm here in one of our bake shops here on campus. Our baking and pastry students start here with the fundamental methods of baking ingredients and technology. Once our students gain competency, they move on to higher production as well as various other products. And these bake shops provide all of the bread and desserts for the entire campus.
Hi, I'm Rebecca. We're here in front of the Bocuse Restaurant at CIA. This restaurant was named after Chef Paul Bocuse because he is the father of modern French cuisine. He actually had his son Jerome come to the CIA and take courses because he was very impressed by our course material. And his son is actually now the head chef at the French restaurant at Disney World. And also here at CIA, you can have homemade ice cream made right in front of you with liquid nitrogen. We're in the American Bounty restaurant at CIA. This restaurant serves American regional cuisine from throughout the Hudson Valley. In this restaurant, students will learn how to cater to and serve customers throughout the year. Our students cook and serve for over 300,000 paying customers across our 9 U.S. public restaurants. Students will learn back of house and also front of house, and they learn these skills from our chef instructors and our maitre d' instructors. They will also take the knowledge that they learn here and use it throughout their careers. We're in front of the Apple Pie Bakery Cafe here at CIA. We have patrons from all over the US and local Hudson Valley residents who come to eat here. Our baking and pastry students will come and learn how to serve customers as well as work back of house. And we actually have craft sandwiches, delectable desserts, and delicious breads that you can choose from.
We're right here in Farquharson Hall. CIA students have the best meal plan in the country, and they get to take their meal plans that they get from our exhibition kitchens. We have over 42 kitchens. They get to take it right here and enjoy it with their friends. This was actually redesigned by the same company that redid Grand Central Station, and you can see our two founders right on the wall right here, Catherine Angel and Francis Roth.
Hi there, I'm Ariana, and you are here at The Egg, our student dining facility on campus. It is home to food and fun because we have our food stations here as well as our social events. In the back of me, you can see our Innovation Kitchen, which is home to our student-run restaurant that changes every semester. Over here is the CIA Brewery. It's in conjunction with Brooklyn Brewery, and in 2019, it won New York's Best in Class award. And like I said, we also like to have a lot of fun here. So you could always see different clubs and activities going on, including karaoke nights, as well as Bada Bingo, which is one of our favorite events on campus. And we're here at the Student Commons, also known as the Student Recreation Center. Here we host a whole bunch of different things, including programming, special events, sports, and student government. Right behind me, you can see our cardio workout room, but we also have individualized exercise rooms, an indoor pool, and a weight room. We also host a career fair 3 times a year right here in our gym, where you can go and network with different companies and even get interviewed.
Hi, we're here outside of Roth Hall. We have a vibrant community here at CIA where we have students from all 50 states and 38 different countries. We have a few different housing options for students, including traditional residence halls, townhouses, and lodges. All of our housing options come equipped with a community kitchen. We also offer free laundry, and you'll even get a text when your laundry is done.
Come on in. Hi, my name is Cecilia, and I'm standing in a CIA residence hall. This is Hudson Hall, where a lot of incoming students get assigned to. So I just wanted to give you a brief tour of the room. That way you can have a better understanding of what furniture we provide, what you might want to bring, and the space that is available to you. We do provide you with a mini fridge and a microwave. So you don't have to worry about bringing that yourself. We take care of that for you, and this is for you and your roommate to share. Fun fact, you could also pick your roommate at orientation or on the accepted student Facebook page. If you don't have a roommate in mind, that's totally fine. The housing application will match you to somebody. So again, you get a desk. I also wanted to show you what the bedding situation is like. Obviously, we provide you with a bed and a mattress, but for your planning purposes, it's a twin XL bed. You have plenty of space to put all of your clothes, your chef whites, your shoes, additional storage up there. And we do have a list on our website of items to bring versus items to leave at home, so definitely check that out. It's going to be really helpful for your planning purposes. And that's pretty much it. This is the typical CIA freshman room.
We're located in the Marriott Pavilion right now in front of Lou's Wall. This is a tough word to say. It's gastro-typographical assemblage. It's an ode to typography and food. This was made by Lou Dorfman in 1966. It hung in the dining room at CBS until the 1990s when we had it restored in 2008 after 2 decades in storage. This is our largest event space on campus. It hosts 800 seats. This is where we have a lot of our larger events for students, including movies, graduations, and guest speakers.